Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You act now, place an initial fraud alert, and then freeze your credit. This prevents new accounts from opening in your name. While that secures the entry points, pull your full credit reports from all three bureaus and save PDFs or snapshots. Next, change passwords and enable two-factor authentication on email and financial accounts. Make unique, long passphrases. Write down each step, date, and contact information. This audit trail will help you prove identity theft later. Once you have reports and evidence, file a police report and create an identity theft report with the appropriate national agency. Keep copies. Use each credit bureau's online dispute system to challenge fraudulent entries. Attach bank statements, police reports, and correspondence. Simultaneously call lenders where fraud occurred. Request that accounts be closed, marked as fraud, and that balances be removed. Make sure to get written confirmations and log representative names and dates for each interaction. After disputes are resolved, verify that fraudulent accounts are deleted and that your credit scores recover. Order replacement cards and correct account information. If a bureau or creditor refuses to remove proven fraud, escalate with a formal complaint to the Consumer Protection Agency and include your identity theft report and police report. Continue weekly monitoring for the first 3 months, then monthly. Consider paid credit monitoring for extra alerts. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.